I'm okay, and you? I am okay. What's your name? My name is Bakara, and you? My name is Iroda. Can you cross the road? Yes. I said Iroda. Can you bring picture? Yes. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Biz keldan qobiliyatda ruxsat so'raganimizda va iltimosda endi ishlatamiz. Masalan, qobiliyatga qilsak, I can play the guitar. Ruxsat so'raganimizda can I va can we'dan foydalanamiz. Masalan, can I watch TV? Iltimos qilganimizda biz can you'dan foydalanamiz. Masalan,